Hello and welcome. I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to investigate this phone charger that I bought in China store, hoping that it will be able to charge my Xiaomi phone. But unfortunately it looks like it just can't do what it states here, because all that goes out of this charger is only 5 volts. As you can see how this zoom will work. Okay, as you can see, it has two outputs. It says it is 20 volt power delivery and quick charger 3.0. On the quick charger 3.0, it says it has 5 volts, 9 volts and 12 volts with corresponding amperage. On type C, it also says it has 5 volts, 2.22, 9 volts, 2.22 amperes and 12 volts, 1.6 amperes. Since it doesn't work as I expected, I decided to compare it with my original charger from Xiaomi and the one from Samsung. This is my original charger from Xiaomi, and as you can see, I hope you can see, it has output 5 volts, 3 amperes, 9 volts, 3 amperes, 12 volts, 2.25 amperes, and 20 volts, 1.35 amperes, and so on. So it has maximum 33 watts. Okay, and also this one from Samsung. This one is original. This one also has output of 9 volts and 5 volts. Afterwards, I will try to open this one. I hope I will succeed, because it looks really good packed, but it is light. It's not really heavy. Anyway, I have this module that I bought from AliExpress, with which we can set output voltages that will go out of this module according to this table using this switch. So I set it to 9 volts because of this Samsung charger, so we can compare. At the moment, I have a attached cable to my original Xiaomi charger, and I will connect it. Okay, as you can see, I hope you can see, the voltages goes straight up to 9 volts. So this is the proof that Xiaomi charger is original and can output 9 volts. Now I am connecting this Samsung charger. It says adaptive fast charging. Okay. Okay, let's try this side, and maybe to set this switch. Okay. Okay, now we have 9 volts. So this is also working, yeah. Samsung charger is working, is genuine. Now let's try this one. I know everything is from China, but something is good, something is not good. Okay, as you can see, there is only 4.86 volts going out of this module. Then if I try to set these switches in any position just to get some higher voltages, I will probably not succeed, because I tried many times and nothing actually works. See? Not one combination is working. No, just doesn't work. So, since this doesn't work and I actually cannot use this charger, I will try to pry it open to see what is inside. I just hope I will succeed. It looks like welded. Okay. Okay. I think I'm on a good path. I don't mind if I break it, because it just doesn't work anyway. Oh, good. I managed to open it. So I have to be careful when I take this board out, because this capacitor might be charged. What is this? This is, I suppose this is the silicone heat pad to transfer heat from the transformer to this housing for cooling purposes. Let me just try to discharge these big capacitors just to be safe. Wow. Let me remove this heat pad. It's really it's really something. I'm not even sure it is silicone. Yeah, okay. What do we have here? Well, as it looks like, we have these two outputs. We have input for 220 AC volts, one transformer, 3 electrolytic capacitors, 2 of these small capacitors, and 1 resistor. On the bottom we have more components. We have this full bridge rectifier. This is the main AC that is controlling, actually producing the output voltage through this transformer. And a few other components, mostly the diodes, and I suppose this is, I don't know what it is. Is it communication chip or what? Probably. Probably, but I can't see really. I'm not sure. So the input capacitor is rated at 6.8 microfarad only for 400 volts, and it looks really cheap. It doesn't look like anything of good quality, yeah. And the output capacitor has 680 microfarads, 10 volts, which is quite small for this, how it looks, serious charger. As it can be seen here, this is actually just a regular, let's say, all-star charger. It has this main IC on the primary side, which is regulate the output voltage, and on the output side just regular one diode. Man, just one diode. Let me just zoom in. Yeah, this is the direction of the diode. It goes this way. So it is on this side is minus. This is the negative side, so the minus goes into this part of this chip, and through this housing of this USB output, it goes to this capacitor. Yeah, quite simple design, quite basic design. Nothing special. And definitely it cannot output voltages as rated on the housing. 12 volts, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts. No way. No way. This is just simple charger. It's not worth it. Anyway, it was not expensive. It was about 2-3 euros. I can't remember really. Yeah. That's it for now. Thank you for